you can't learn 10 years of jiu-jitsu in fucking 3 months, man. You know that.
Dude,
I can't come to you and say, hey, I fucking don't know anything. I need you to teach me. And you'll be like, well, we got some basics we got to work on, but maybe we can work only rear naked choke defense, and maybe you'll defend it for 30 seconds. You know what I mean? Like, I can get you there. But Nate is a black belt. He has 10 years of every situation on the ground, right? So that's like second nature for him. For somebody, it doesn't make sense. I mean, you can't just overnight learn that.
And like anything else, like any other art, especially in jiu-jitsu, like because it's based on just timing and technique, and it's just you need to get that time in on the mat. That's something that you can never, you can't take a crash course on that. You're not getting that. There's not a quick fix. That's just fucking years of being on the mat, escaping arm locks, putting on arm locks, getting that timing down. That's something you can't rush. It's impossible. So that's something money can't buy. You can't speed that process up. So.
No.
That is fucking.
I think Conor's striking is great. Of course, your boxing looks beautiful. So, but my thing, if you're going to game plan against Diaz, why would you go and try and outbox the two guys that have the greatest hands boxing? I'm talking boxing only in the UFC. Why would you want to box with the boxers? You know what I mean? Like, holy shit, right? So, if I was Conor, I'd be trying to spin, and I'd be trying to kick, and I'd be trying to, really, really push the pressure with Nate. But those guys are so good at walking forward and punches and bunches, man. And I don't know what Conor's going to do. I think, that big, fast-talking ass is going to give him some trouble.
It is interesting. I'm interested to see his game plan or his strategy right off the bat, because I'm thinking, is he going to just try to work that body? I mean, how is he going to really slow down this guy's pace? Because once they get the momentum going, when I say them, I mean the Diaz bros, but in this case, Nate, shoot, man, and he starts getting that distance down. I mean, and again, I don't recommend Conor doing a takedown either, because Nate's got that guard you can't chill in. You can't chill in that guy's guard at all. So that's going to add to his stress. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing the tactics that Conor uses, that all that money's buying. Let's see how much that 300,000 is buying with the game plan and motherfucker. It's interesting shit.